Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. This morning we are going to start with making our holiday cranberry sauce. For this one, okay, so this thing goes pretty quickly. I've got 3/4 of a cup of water heating up over there on the little stove. To that, I'm going to add a pound of whole cranberries and another 3/4 cup of orange juice, then some sugar and some spices. We're going to cook it till the cranberries pop, and then the sugar starts to thicken up, and then we're going to pull it, put it in a little container, and cool it back down so it's nice and thick. Okay, so my water's heating up, almost ready to boil too. So I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup orange juice. This was not part of the original recipe, but it's just one over the years that I've added to it and adapted. And you guys don't have to do that. That's just something I do. If you choose not to, then it's 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to add 3 cinnamon sticks. Supposed to be 5 whole cloves, but I'm probably going to add 7 or 8. Although they're harder to fish back out, and you could put them, I suppose. There's 5 in a little like cheesecloth bag or something. Yeah, okay, so there's 8. And what is it? 5 allspice berries too. 1, 2, well, there's 6. And a pound of fresh cranberries. Well, 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. We'll just put them in there. And just keep stirring them around till they eventually start to pop. Oh, 2 cups of sugar. It'll never thicken up if you don't do that. And yeah, all right. Now we'll keep stirring it around till the cranberries pop and the sugar dissolves. Alrighty, so give or take, it's been, wow, it's 9 o'clock already. It's been maybe 8-9 minutes. A few of them are starting to pop now. The red colors are picking out really good. There they go. I tell you, that little wood stove's putting out a little bit of heat. It's not terribly cold. I'm trying to just break some of the dampness mostly. The house unit is coming on and off every so often, so hopefully I catch it in between cycles. Almost done. I try to leave a little of the berries, some of them kind of intact or semi whole anyhow, to give it a little bit of contrast. There it goes. I am going to let it go maybe another minute or so and then turn the heat down. And I'm going to call that right there, I think. We'll get it transferred to another container. And then start getting it in the cooler and chilling back down. Ooh. No, that's about as much as that container's going to hold. I'll bring the camera in on you in a minute. I'm going to let this cool a little bit and then pluck out some of these unwanteds. Ooh, tastes good. So that is our holiday cranberry sauce. Like I said, I'm going to let that cool for a few minutes. Pluck out some of the unwanteds, the allspice berries, the cloves, and what a couple cinnamon sticks might be left, and then stick it in the cooler to cool down for this afternoon. So I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.